Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying your account contact info and enabling two-factor authentication. This reduces lockouts while you change settings. Next, backup drafts and any saved media so nothing is lost during a settings reset. Once done, log out of other devices and update the TikTok app to the latest version. Outdated clients often reapply old defaults. This first quick reset clears transient flags and prepares you to adjust the deeper privacy controls that follow. Now you dive into privacy and permissions. You set your account to private and restrict interactions such as comments, stitches, and duets to limit exposure. This directly controls who can see or remix your content. Next, go to your phone's app permissions and revoke camera, microphone, and storage access when not required. This prevents passive data collection. Then audit any third-party connections and unlink apps, changing passwords if you find suspicious links. These steps stop data sharing and reassert control over what TikTok can access. To finish, clear the app cache and restart your device so changes fully take effect. Cached policies can reappear until the app reloads fresh. Once done, recheck your privacy and permission settings after 24 hours because platform-side updates sometimes propagate slowly. If a restriction remains or settings revert, reset your password, re-enable 2FA, and contact TikTok support with concise details. Troubleshooting tip: if settings won't stick, revoke app access from linked services and perform a fresh reinstall. This eliminates corrupt config files that often cause persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.